Hey y'all, so I'm in the garden and we have a cold front coming and I don't know how bad it's going to be, but I thought, well, everything that's looking pretty right now might not look so pretty tomorrow, so I'd better get this on camera. See that behind me? To at least document the end of the season garden before everything gets blown away or frozen because of the cold weather, because we're supposed to get down in the 30s. So let me show you an October garden tour. So as you can see, the Confederate rose hibiscus are looking absolutely gorgeous. Let's move up closer to one of the blooms. You can see it compared to my hand, how large the blooms are. Absolutely beautiful. And that one over there, it's also blooming. That thing's at least 10 foot tall. Very pretty. Got some sort of drama going on in the chicken coop over there. They're going up for the night and have to make a lot of noise. So this variegated jazz hands, whatever, is actually going back to purple now. I never thought I would see that happen. It had all been green. Now I see it does it in the fall. That one's turning as well. I just wish these things would grow a little quicker. And there's the other one. I had to plant the fountain grass because these kittens destroy anything on the front porch. We have this hibiscus, but it doesn't have any blooms on it right now. This is the one that's normally yellow. The azalea is doing fine, even though the chickens keep trying to dig it up. That okra, I have failed to harvest. The okra. They're way too big, and it's falling over. Got a lot of sweet potatoes here. I'll harvest those later. The Perfume Breeze rose it's been full of blooms this week. It's just going crazy, and I'm gonna need to trim that all back, but we're just leaving it for now. I wish you could smell the blooms. This is the peanuts, and I'm going to be pulling those. The bull bean that I planted, still getting little flowers on it. The deer ate the purslane. I don't care what anyone says, those deer came in, they were caught red-handed eating the purslane. The lantana, which has gone crazy. It's really attracting butterflies lately. Got some bottles I put up there like a bottle tree on top of my teepee. The blue potato bush. Don't know what I'm gonna do with this one, but still no blooms, lots of greenery. The cannas that I had completely cut down are doing great till they freeze. We had a storm come through and knock some of the blooms over, as you can see, but it has been blooming really well. Have some about to open. Same on the other side. And we have mustard greens here, which we'll be harvesting soon. For some reason that side didn't really produce anything, and something has been eating on it. But yeah, we'll be harvesting some of this week to cook. Tommy's dwarf banana trees are doing really well. He asked me to leave them alone, and I have. No bananas, but this is their second year, and that's the new one. Tommy just planted it. I'll put up a quick clip of that maybe. This is another dwarf banana. Dwarf Cavendish banana. Full sun. 6 hours of direct sun. Cold hardy 40 to 30. Non-hardy in zones 1 through 9. Harvest 75 to 90 days. Spacing 4 to 5 feet. It's just like those over there. Can't do anything without them two kittens.
I know.
Getting involved. They think everything's about them. Good job, honey. Hopefully one of these banana trees will get some actual bananas on it.
Something.
Nothing happened with the chives and the carrots. The ants got in this bed. And here we have peppers and collard greens, which I don't see any peppers on here. Not in this bed. And the collard greens are sadly not doing much. In this one, we have a whole lot of jalapenos, which it's starting to get dark, so you might not be able to see that too well. Oops, I think I knocked it off. Turn some light on. Anyway, we've got lots of peppers growing on here. There's some. You can see that. Where did that pepper go? I don't want, there it is. It fell on the ground. There we go. Just a little bitty jalapeno, but we'll use it. Over here, we have bell peppers growing. And there's some on this. I don't know what happened to this limb. Just kind of hanging on the ground, but we do have bell peppers here. We'll be harvesting those soon. More bell peppers there. Another okra. There's okra in this bed. I don't remember planting it, but who knows. This is okra too. Here is the Perfume Breeze rose from another angle, as well as some cannas on this side. The Gumfrina in this pot, while cute, this whole half is getting destroyed by the cats that like to lay in here. I don't know what I'm going to do about these kittens that don't actually belong to me. They're cute, but they're also destructive. For those of you that like my shrimp plant, it has gotten totally out of control. And it does have a couple of blooms on it, but it really needs a haircut, which we'll be doing that probably after this freeze. It'll be cut way back. And that's really all I have to show you for today. Hopefully it won't get so cold that it destroys the flowers, because I have a birthday party coming this next weekend and I would like it to still look a little bit pretty. especially the Confederate Rose Hibiscus. I want that to stay. It is a girl's birthday party, and those would look great with all the other decorations. But we are looking forward to this cold front because we're all tired of hot weather, and it's been in the 90s this week, and it's fall, and it doesn't feel very fall-like. So yeah, we're really looking forward to this cold front. Thank you guys for watching, and we will see you on the next video.